You're ready to dive into the exciting world of laser engraving, but the thought of complicated and costly machines makes you feel, I don't know, a bit overwhelmed. We totally get it. That's why I'm thrilled to introduce you to the new WeCreat Lumos. This little laser engraver is shaking things up in the crafting community. The WeCreat Lumos is here to prove that you don't need to break the bank or wrestle with a huge machine to get stunning, professional quality results. This compact, powerful, and easy-to-use portable laser engraver is quickly becoming a favorite for everyone, from seasoned crafters to small business owners hitting the road for events. So why is this little powerhouse turning so many heads? Let's break it down. There's little to no assembly required with the Lumos machine. WeCreat gives you everything you need in the box to get you started, including sample materials. A few things about the machine. It weighs 15.4 pounds. It's solid but not too heavy that you can't move it around. It measures 9.5 inches by 10.6 inches by 12.3 inches, so it's a nice compact machine. You can connect via USB or Wi-Fi. It's compatible with Windows and Mac. It works with WeCreat Make It software, and it's Lightburn compatible. You can use all of your favorite file types: SVG, PNG, JPEG, DXF, and plenty more. The only setup is connecting the exhaust hose to the back of the machine, which is a matter of removing 4 screws with the included screwdriver, attaching the exhaust bracket with those screws, and then using the clamp to attach the exhaust hose to the bracket. You will need a way to vent this out of a window or into a fume extractor. Your health and safety is absolutely the most important. The only thing left to do is to attach the power cord, and there's a slot in the back on the right. On the other side is the USB connector, so you'll connect it there. It comes with 2 base inserts. One is flat with grooves, and you would insert that if you were engraving. The other one is used for cutting and has grooves to hold your material up so there's airflow during the cut process. So let's go over the machine real quick. Use the handle on the front to lift the amber enclosure, which helps to protect your eyes. Under the enclosure, you're going to find the exhaust fan. There's a lens cover that you're going to want to remove before using the machine. And what's neat about this machine is you can remove the laser altogether and go handheld with the optional magnetic cone cover. You simply unscrew the laser from the machine to remove it and attach the cone magnetically, and then connect the fan. It's easy to remove and go truly portable, and easy to reconnect the laser back into the machine. When you're ready to send a job to the laser to be cut or engraved, the Start button is located on the top. On the back, there's a manual focus knob, as well as an autofocus button that you long press to use. There's the exhaust port, an auxiliary port, a rotary port, the USB port, a power port, and an on-off switch. There's simply nothing complicated about this machine. Now that it's out of the box and you've had a look, don't let the small size fool you. This little machine is a powerhouse. Tucked inside are 2 powerful lasers, a 10-watt blue diode and a 3-watt infrared diode. That's a huge deal because it means the Lumos can engrave a wider variety of materials, including metals. And the 3-watt IR diode is powerful. The Lumos works with all kinds of materials, including the classic go-tos like wood and leather, plus fun stuff like stainless steel, HTV, and cardstock. It cuts super clean, engraves with amazing detail, and the color effects it creates on metal is absolutely mind-blowing. The WeCreat Lumos has a 4.5 inch by 4.5 inch working area, and it can cut up to 6mm basswood and can handle materials up to 100mm tall. That's almost 4 inches. WeCreat boosts 8K resolution and motion precision down to an incredible 0.00199 millimeters, and the Lumos truly delivers. Whether you're working on intricate textures or tiny fonts, your results will be impressively sharp and detailed. But here's where the Lumos really shines: speed. Clocking in at an astonishing 4,000 millimeters per second, It's up to 3 times faster than some of its closest competitors. This incredible speed is thanks to WeCreat's innovative beam-focused technology, which concentrates the laser energy to reduce processing time. Look at how fast I was able to engrave this dog tag. Can you imagine doing this on the spot at a craft fair for your customers? That's some serious efficiency. This is a game changer for small businesses looking to fulfill more custom orders faster with premium results. Let's be honest, laser engravers can look intimidating, but with the Lumos, it's clear WeCreat put usability first. I found WeCreat's Make It software to be intuitive, user-friendly, even for beginners. You'll love the helpful features like framing options in both rectangle and adaptive shapes, allowing for precise placement. When you click framing from the canvas, you get a rectangle outline on the material so you know exactly where the design is going to cut or engrave. When you go to start, there is an additional framing option for outer contour framing. This shows you the shape of your design on your wood or your material. It's a really nice feature. There are 2 ways to autofocus on the machine, through the software or through the physical knob or button on the back. And the real-time camera feedback to preview your design placement is on point. WeCreat didn't just stop at the base model. The Lumos is designed to grow with your creative ambitions thanks to its clever modular accessories. The handheld module allows you to easily remove the laser head and put the machine in a portable mode. This means you're no longer confined to your desk, and it opens up a world of endless possibilities. The rotary module is perfect for effortlessly engraving tumblers, mugs, and other round items. The slide extension expands your engraving area for larger projects or batch jobs up to 520 millimeters. And combine the slide extension with the rotary module and gain next level flexibility, letting you engrave things like full baseball bats. Setting up these extensions is super straightforward that even beginners can master them easily. Subscribe to our channel for new videos coming up specifically on the rotary module, the slide extension, and the combination of the 2. WeCreat has engineered the Lumos with safety in mind, packing in features like an amber safety cover that blocks harmful laser wavelengths for crucial eye protection, a flame shutdown system so that if overheating is detected, the Lumos alerts you and shuts down immediately. It has a smoke-free fan system for integrated ventilation that keeps your workspace clean and breathable. And tilt protection. It will automatically disable the laser if it's tilted more than 45 degrees to prevent accidents. Bottom line, is the Lumos worth it? The Lumos offers an incredible amount of power, speed, and material capability without sacrificing that all-important ease of use. And yes, I love the purple color, but more importantly, the Lumos is generally fun to use. If you're searching for a budget-friendly, feature-packed, and truly portable laser engraver, the WeCreat Lumos is a serious contender. Whether you're just getting started with lasers or looking to add a mobile powerhouse to your existing setup, this machine checks all the boxes, from power, precision, and speed. If you're thinking about getting one, please consider using my affiliate link in the description of this video. And if you have any questions or want to see other examples of what the WeCreat Lumos can do, let me know in the comments. Don't miss out. Make sure to click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll always know when new content drops. And as always, thanks for watching and happy crafting.